Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to acquire new skills and make money. In today's digital age, it's never been easier to learn new skills and put them to use in the job market. One tool that can help you do this is ChatGPT, a powerful natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI. So, how can ChatGPT help you acquire new skills and make money? Let's take a look. First, ChatGPT can help you discover what skills are in demand in the job market. By typing in keywords related to your interests and goals, ChatGPT can provide you with a list of skills that are commonly sought after by employers. For example, if you're interested in working in the tech industry, you might type in skills needed for a software developer, and ChatGPT will provide a list of relevant skills, such as programming languages like Java or Python, as well as other important skills like problem solving and critical thinking. Once you have a list of skills that are in demand, ChatGPT can also help you find resources to learn those skills. Simply type in the name of the skill you want to learn, and ChatGPT will provide a list of online courses, tutorials, and other resources that can help you get up to speed. But learning new skills is just one part of the equation. Once you've acquired a new skill, ChatGPT can also help you put it to use and make money. Simply type in keywords related to the skill you've learned, and ChatGPT will provide a list of job openings or freelance gigs that require those skills. For example, if you've learned how to code in Python, you might type in Python developer jobs, and ChatGPT will provide a list of job openings that require Python skills. So there you have it. With ChatGPT, it's never been easier to discover new skills, find resources to learn them, and put them to use in the job market. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Best of luck on your journey to entrepreneurship.